you on this journey of learning Forex trading, step by step, from beginner to pro. I've dedicated years to understanding how the markets really work, and my mission now is simple: to help beginners like you build a strong foundation in Forex so you can trade with confidence, not confusion. In this first video, Module 1, Introduction to Forex. Video 1, Welcome and What is Forex? We'll cover the big question, what is Forex? And why millions of traders around the world are drawn to it every day. This series is designed for absolute beginners. Even if you've never opened a trading chart before, by the end of this training, you'll understand the building blocks of Forex and how to take your first steps as a trader. This lesson draws heavily from the book Forex for Beginners, What You Need to Know to Get Started and Everything in Between, by Anna Coling. I'll also be giving you my own reflections, so you get both a structured textbook perspective and a practical trader's voice. What you'll learn in this video. Get ready to take notes if needs be. Now that you are ready to take notes, let's go deep to today's learning. 1. What is Forex foreign exchange? A clear, simple explanation of how currencies are traded globally. 2. Why Forex is the largest financial market, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with over $6 trillion traded daily. 3. Who participates in Forex? A. Governments and central banks. Governments use Forex to stabilize their national currencies. For example, if the GBP Great Britain pound losses too quickly against the US dollar, the Central Bank of Great Britain may intervene by buying GBP and selling dollars. Similarly, the U.S. Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank, ECB, might adjust their currency positions to influence inflation, interest rates, or trade balances. This shows how Forex is not just about traders. It impacts entire nations. B. Corporations. Businesses with global operations rely on Forex to pay suppliers and manage international trade. Imagine Apple importing components from Asia. Those suppliers must be paid in local currencies. Or a Kenyan coffee exporter selling beans to Europe. They will be paid in euros but need to convert them back into shillings. This constant currency conversion makes Forex essential for global commerce. C. Banks, hedge funds, and retail traders. Large financial institutions like J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and Citibank trade Forex for profit and to serve clients. Hedge funds speculate on market trends, sometimes moving billions in a single trade. And then there's us, retail traders. With just a laptop or phone, anyone can open a trading account and access the same market as the big players. For example, you might trade the euro to US dollar pair to profit from differences between the euro and the US dollar. While retail traders don't move the market on their own, together they are an important part of the Forex ecosystem. Key takeaways from Anna Coling's. One of the reasons I really like Anna Coling's Forex for Beginners is because she keeps it real. She doesn't sugarcoat anything. Here are a few big takeaways she emphasizes. And I can tell you from experience, they're absolutely true. First, knowledge before money. Most beginners open a live account way too soon. They put in their hard-earned cash, place a few trades, and within weeks, the account is gone. Why? Because they skipped the learning phase. Anna insists, and I agree, your first investment should be in education and practice, not in chasing quick profits. Second, focus on the bigger picture. Don't just stare at every single candlestick and hope for magic. Step back. Understand why currencies move. Things like interest rate changes, central bank policies, and global events. That's where the real story is. Third, your emotions will make or break you. Anna highlights that psychology is just as important as strategy. Fear and greed can ruin even the smartest plan. I've seen traders panic sell at the worst time or double down out of frustration. Treat trading like a business, not a gamble. Finally, risk management is survival. This is the one rule that separates people who last in this game from those who blow up and quit. Most traders don't fail because they can't find winning setups. They fail because they risk too much on a single trade. Protecting your account is protecting your future. That's why I recommend this book. It's practical, it's honest, and it builds a mindset of a real trader, not a gambler. Closing and call to action. So let's wrap up this first lesson. Today we talked about what Forex is, why it matters, and what Anna Coling teaches about building a strong foundation. Now here's what I want you to do next. First, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is just the start, and trust me, you don't want to miss the upcoming lessons. Second, join the conversation in the comments. Tell me, what's the biggest thing you just learned about Forex today? Your feedback helps me shape these lessons to what you need most. Third, if you want to go deeper alongside this video series, grab a copy of Anna Coling's Forex for Beginners. It's like having an experienced mentor guiding you while I train you here on the RockFX Hub. And remember this, trading is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Success comes from building a solid foundation, sticking to your rules, and managing your emotions along the way. I'm Peter the Rock, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive into the history of Forex and how it became the massive global market we trade today.